Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is a haul from Burlington Coat Factory. That's right, Burlington. So anyway, let's get started with the Burlington haul. I picked me up this cute shirt. This was in the men's section, but I don't know. It was just something different about it. It was unique, way different. I don't know. But anyway, this t-shirt, it's so freaking cute. Like the front of it, right? Let me see. Show you the front. It says Big Papa, Brooklyn. And you know, they're talking about the Notorious B.I.G., Biggie Smalls. Big Papa, right? Brooklyn. And even though I'm from the Bronx, I still, will represent any part of New York. So, and then on the back of the shirt, it says Big Papa. Again, you get this cute teddy bear with the crown on the head. And then, it says hip hop, blah, blah, blah. And then right here it says royalty. And then right here it says Brooklyn, New York. So I thought it was cute. And it's something different. I've never seen a shirt like that before. So I decided to pick that one up at Burlington. Then I got my son this shirt. It's a little bit big. But, I got him this shirt. It's all black, and it's got, like, a whole bunch of writings and stuff on it. And then it's got this big, cute bear on the front. He looks like he's grumpy, like he's chilling. He's got his hat on backwards. He's chilling. You see? Super cute. So I got my son that shirt. Sorry, guys, I can't fold it at the moment. So I got that at Burlington Coat Factory. Then also at Burlington, in the front, when you pay for stuff, I grabbed this. I was looking for the strawberry yogurt ones, but they didn't have them. They only had milk chocolate and regular. So this is a yogurt covered pretzels. So it's like white pretzels, but they're yogurt covered pretzels. So I picked that up. Then my son found this at Burlington. This is the PS4. It's called Fade to Silence. And I don't know what it's about, but he wanted to try it. So I grabbed that one. It looked different. Never seen that before. Then I picked up a whole bunch of more snacks again. I got more of the popcorn from the Popcorn Factory. They also had some other popcorns that I bought last time, like the Twix flavor, but they didn't have Twix. They had like M&Ms. They had Oreo. They had Chips Ahoy. I didn't like any of those. And they had Snickers. I didn't buy those. So I just bought these remaining ones. I got the Popcorn Factory one. This is the butter toffee with sea salt. It's so good. I got that one. And then I picked up this one again. This is the caramel. Because the last time I hauled these, I hauled them at Ross. Ross, TJ Maxx, Marshalls, and Burlington, they're all the same company. They're all running the same company, so they're all similar. They all have decent things in all their stores. So I got that. Then I found the candy popcorn. This is Butterfinger, guys. Butterfinger popcorn. Yummy. Look at that. Butterfingers. And then I picked up this big pink tube of it says Aussie Glow. This is Australian. It says Australian pink clay, the hydrating and pore tightening face mask. And I don't have a pink Himalayan clay type of face mask. So I just picked this up to give that product a try. I did pick up this cute wheel right here with the little bow strings. And there's some interesting good flavors of teas that I never tried. And you could tell this one's pomegranate something, whatever. You get strawberry. And you get a good pineapple tea. It sounds delicious. And then you get lemon, and you get acai berry, and then it looks like apple cinnamon. So it looked interesting, and I wanted it for the pineapple and the other flavors. And then I picked up two last products. I picked up this brand new big jar of coconut. See if it, okay. It says Deep Hydration Hair Mask. So it's always good to use hair mask. So I picked this one up. This is the coconut. Like I said, it's a big jar of hair mask. And the last one I picked up, I don't know for sure if this is a hair mask, but yeah, okay. It says for weak and color treated hair. And it says anti-breakage hair repair, Burlington. So let me see if this is a hair mask. It says quench strong, shiny locks with caffeine and sweet almond oil. Oh, so if it has caffeine, and Burlington is really good for the hair. So this is a hair mask, I think. These were all each $5.99. Let me see if it zooms in on camera. The directions. Blah, blah, blah. Yeah. You leave it in for 5 to 10 minutes, rinse. Okay, so that's cool. So I got the Burlington hair mask and the coconut hair mask. So this is a nice big tube. This will last me maybe 2 or 3 days because I use hair mask a lot. So yeah, that's it, guys. That's all I picked up at Burlington. It was kind of small. This was a small Burlington. It wasn't like those huge Burlingtons that you normally see. This was around my house. So if I go to the mall or go somewhere far, you know, the Burlingtons are way bigger and they got more products and more stuff. But anyway, this is all I picked up today. All this was $60. But anyway, thanks for watching this Burlington Co-Factory haul. And I will talk to you guys later on. Have a good day, guys. Bye.